Driving Test in 2024, your complete guide to the road test. The DMV driving test, also called a road test, driver's test, road exam, driver's license test and behind-the-wheel test, assesses your ability to safely and confidently operate a vehicle according to your state's driving laws. During the test, you will drive a vehicle while a DMV test examiner evaluates your ability to control it in a variety of realistic driving situations. What do I need to know for my road test? All U.S. states and Washington, D.C., require an applicant to pass a road test before being issued a driver's license. Note that in most states, you can obtain a driver's license without taking a road test if you already hold a valid driver's license issued by another state, because this implies that you passed the driving test in that state. At what age will I be eligible to take a road test? The minimum age at which you may take a road test varies from state to state. Depending on the state, you may be eligible to take the road test if at least one of the following applies to you. You're at least 16 years of age. You've passed certain stages of the state's Graduated Driver's License (GDL) program for young drivers. You've met your state's requirements for new drivers. You've met your state's requirements for drivers who have moved into your state from elsewhere. What driving skills will I be tested on? You should prepare to be tested on a wide variety of driving skills. Driving through an intersection, backing up, perhaps around a corner, three-point turns, left and right-hand turns, and changing lanes. Some states may also test your ability to drive on a freeway. If so, be prepared to safely enter a highway, pass other vehicles and exit the highway. Many states also require you to demonstrate competency at parallel parking. Check your state's manual to see if this will be included in your road test. As you perform these skills, the test examiner will observe if you're handling your vehicle lawfully and safely. The examiner will also rate you on using your turn signals, leaving the appropriate amount of space between your car and other vehicles, accelerating and braking smoothly, checking your mirrors and blind spots, and obeying all speed limits, traffic signs and signals, and pavement markings. You'll most likely be tested on driving through a residential or business area, so make sure you know the default speed limits for those areas. They're not always posted. Before the road test, you should get familiar with driving around the DMV location where you plan to take your test. Familiarize yourself with the various traffic signs and signals and the general layout of the area.